Hello everyone. So sorry we took a super long break. Things just got super hectic with, close family events and my birthday, and just it felt like event after event after event. So we took this long break, but now we should be back to it. And I also wanted to let you know that we will be releasing videos on Tuesdays now, just because it works better with our schedule and we don't feel so rushed, especially with summer here and so many fun camping trips coming and other weekend trips. So I wanted to let you guys know, but just to fill you in, we had my birthday weekend, we went to my parents, had a good time there, went golfing with my dad, super fun, and then I got my old pillow pet back, Jeffrey. He's so cute and cuddly, and the cats love him. But I just wanted to fill you guys in, and we will see you soon in our next video next Tuesday.
What a day.
Good afternoon, beautiful people. It is Tuesday. I don't even know the date, June something.
And it's hot.
It is almost 100 degrees here.
It's really hot.
That was gross. It is 97 degrees outside, which is insane for June in Wisconsin. But I'm not complaining because it just means more beach days.
Bitch. 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 What's up, dudes and dudettes? So we're right now, but we're in the car going to pick up a golf cart thing.
Golf caddy.
Yeah, golf caddy. It's just to help carry the clubs and not have to put them on your back, not have to slang them on the back. So luckily we found one for super cheap, and she swiped it up before I could buy it. So we ended up not being able to get the golf cart thing because the dude was locked out of his own apartment. So we just rescheduled it for tomorrow. So you'll see that. You'll still get to see it. Don't worry. Don't cry. Don't cry. You'll still get to see it. Jeez. But then me and Ashley went frisbee golfing with ye old with my brother, which was super. It was incredibly hot out. It was 90.
I swear to God, Levi just spit in my car. Like, spit right there. What'd you do? What did you do?
Nothing.
We got a new iMac. It's the green color.
Thank you.
See, it's mint.
Anyway.
And then on the back, it's a forest green.
Ooh, girl, that beat. That's good cardboard.
Look at this handle.
Nice. That's a nice handle. We're gonna have to keep the box. Just kidding. Nobody should be. What? It does that? Did you know it did that? Oh, girl. Oh, girl.
It's Friday, and I'm done with work. Levi's still working.
Yeah.
Today I leave for Minnesota to go visit Michaela, and my friend Grace is coming from Maryland, and I haven't seen her in like 2 years, so it'll be really cool to see her. probably gonna go do brunch, beach day. I don't know. We'll fill you in as we go because I'm bringing you guys with me. Hello everyone, welcome. We are at Lake Day. As you can see, it's beautiful out. Just about to take the paddle boards. Got Michaela, Grace, Marilyn. All right, we'll see you out there.